Ngizambote. Evo mukututala una tutondele kwendu kundako sitolongo kandinga tieto. Thank you very much for being there. We're going to learn Kikongo language. Congo Kingdom language. Please be still. Don't go far from where you are. Just stay still. Thank you. Nengwa mazenzele. Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Luna mavimpie.
Engeta. Tuna mapi. Tutondole.
Tutondele. Tata David. Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Luna mavimpie.
Ingeta. Tune mavimpi. Tutondele.
Tutondele. Thank you very much. I'm going to share my screen. Bear with me. Well done. Well done, Pamela. Well done. Engwa mazenze. I like your name, you know.
Me too.
So I want to say more. No, just, you know what I mean? I'm stopping there. Okay. Give you 1 minute. I'm going to share my screen. Where's the application? There. Give me 1 minute. I need to. Okay, it's there. This one. Okay, anyway, I was about to ask you a question, but the answer is already there. But next slide will be a question. Kiambote.
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 Can you read, please? Mengwa mazenze. Can you read, please?
Kiambote.
Meaning, how are you?
Meaning, how are you?
Yes.
Lit, health of goodness.
Yeah, literally, yes. Let me just go to next. Okay, I think I'm showing the. Okay, that's fine. That doesn't matter. Okay. Tata David.
Tata. Meaning father, sir, or mister.
Well done, well done. Tata. We have it's a long vowel. Tata. This is just phonetic spelling. You don't need to write the double A. It just helps to pronounce it correctly because it is a long vowel. Nengwa mazenzele. Your turn, please.
Nengwa. Meaning mother, madam, Mrs.
Yes, correct. Okay. What does it mean? Hello, Brother David, Tata David.
Yes, hello.
Means?
Yes.
Oh, well done. Hello. Yes. Ingeta. Nengwa mazenzele.
Can
you try to read, please?
Ingeta.
Yes.
I don't know the meaning.
No, I don't. Tata David, do you know the meaning?
Thank you.
Okay. Oh,
yes.
Or okay.
Yes, definitely. Yes.
Like yes, indeed. Okay.
Yes. Ve. Tata David.
Ve.
The opposite of hello.
No.
Yes. No. That's good. Sala Kiambote. Can you try to read, please?
Sala Kiambote.
I like the pronunciation. Nice. Wow.
Is that one when you're leaving? Be well.
Wow.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Be well. Goodbye.
Wow. Well done. Wow. Goodbye.
Okay.
Goodbye. But can you
stay well. Goodbye. Stay well. Said by person leaving.
That's very important. Remember, I'm leaving my friend. Say Salagambot. Stay well. Tata David, your turn now, please.
Mhm. Wenda kiambote.
Well done. Wenda Kiambote. Meaning,
I think all of you, goodbye or
no,
farewell to a group.
singular, because you say Salagambote,
Hmm.
you are leaving, you say Salagambote, then your friend,
Oh, okay. So this would be the answer to that.
yeah, your friend's going to say something. Say something. What's he going to say, your friend?
So your friend says Sala kiambote to you, and you would say Wenda kiambote back to your friend.
Yeah, well done, well done. It's still goodbye, but the meaning
Mhm.
is
When you
go away.
Goodbye.
said by the present stay in.
Person staying. Remember, mm,
Mm-hmm.
Salagambote stay. Say by person
Wenda
leaving.
kiambote.
Salagambote person staying. Ah, okay. Now we have a plural. Same thing. Just remember Sala and
Mhm.
you mean plural. Now we talk about many. The same meaning.
Yeah.
No, I think Nengoma Zenze, remember, I think Nu Sala Gambot. Remember Sala Gambot, now we say to many people here.
Nusala Kimbote.
Stay well.
Wow.
Tata David, meaning
Stay well, but for you would say that to the whole class.
good, well done.
Hmm. Yeah.
Mm. We say that to several.
Or I see just to one senior person too.
Oh, one senior person. So many people, one
Hmm.
senior person. Are you okay, Nengoma Zenze? Are you okay?
No, I'm still learning. I'm learning. I'm figuring it out.
We got the. If you go on our website, we got everything. Everything is there. You can read again. Okay. Remember,
Okay.
it's plural. Sala. No plural. Sala singular. Wenda. Wenda. But now because the NU, I mean, U is hidden. N is plural now. Wenda Kiambote.
And the Kambote.
hmm Someone is staying, but when will you say that? When would you say that, David, Tata David?
Mm. Uh, I think if you are saying go well to several people,
Well,
if they say Nusala Kiambote, then you'd say Wenda Kiambote to your friends.
Wenda Kiambote, yeah. Wenda Kiambote, yes. Well done. Yes.
Hmm.
Ah, that's good. I've already answered you. I've already given answer to your question, to the question. Okay, Diambote.
Diambote.
Kiambote.
Diambote is not Kiambote. It's Diambote,
Diambote.
meaning
Hmm.
good. Diambote.
Diambote.
Diambote. Good. Fine.
Good. Right. Okay. Diambote.
Diambote is one. If I just remove dy,
D.
I put m, mambote, meaning a lot. I mean, mambote.
Diambote. Diambote.
Away,
Wait. Away.
away,
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 away.
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 Mm. Dr. David, can you try to translate into English, please? Away.
I don't remember seeing this one,
Okay,
but
no,
um, I think it's is that so?
Yeah,
Or
my
no?
goodness.
Yeah. Hmm.
Away.
Like really?
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, away, away.
Aquay.
Mm.
Aquay.
Where is it? Where? Mm.
Aquay.
Ekumanki.
Ekumaki.
Ekumanki.
Well done. Ekumanki. Why?
A lot of that is why.
Why?
The reason is why. Ekumaki.
Basically, Kuma means reason, the cause. Ki means what? Ekumanki. What's the reason?
Kumaki.
Ekumanki.
Remember the N?
Mm-hmm.
N and key.
Kumaki.
Well done.
Ekumanki.
Oh. Kewakoi.
Well done.
Woo.
Well done. Yeah. Perfect. Now just adjustment. Tata David, can you try please?
I haven't seen this one. Kewaokoi.
Oh, well done. Perfect. But we just to fix one thing.
Is that so? Kewaokoi.
When we read
Is the double E more like A?
Kewakwe.
Yeah, Kewaokoi.
Nengwa Mazenze, can you read please?
Sansuka.
Well done. Tata David.
Is that God bless you?
Oh, you remember? Well done. Well done.
I know.
So when I'm sneezing,
Yep.
okay.
I remember that.
Sansuka.
We will. I know.
Before I forget, Brother David, you remember last Sunday, you are right. You could say both. You could say Undoloka. You are right.
Undoloka.
Undoloka. You can say both. Either you use accent or no accent.
I've seen that word before.
Undoloka.
Undoloka.
Undoloka. Meaning what? Nengwa Mazenzele? Any?
I've never seen that word. I don't know what that means. Undoloka. I don't know that one.
I'm sure you should know. Because you did answer your question. Undoloka.
I don't know that one.
Okay. No,
I've never even seen that word.
Now we remember. We never forget. You will never forget.
I don't have that one.
Forgive me. Excuse me.
Oh, I didn't have that one.
I forgive you.
But I never seen that one.
No,
I learned it today.
no, forgiven.
Oh, thank you. Undoloka.
So,
Yeah, say you just say that Nigikongo. You don't say Ilolokele. I forgive you.
Ilolokele.
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 Yeah, Ilolokele. Basically, you write one word, but to make it easy for you, that's why I put the space here. Just one word. Ilolokele. Well done. You're doing well. This is something I said for Undoloka and Undoloka are both same thing. Tata David, can you try please?
Away or Vovele?
Oh, well done. Ngoma Zenzele, over to you.
Away Ovovale.
Yeah, I know it's hard. Thank you very much. Well done. Away. Remember, back 2 slides back, we went away. Away. What? What did you say? Away over Vele. I haven't understood.
So, what did you say? What did you say? Okay. Right. Or if somebody is speaking too fast, I haven't understood you. Yeah. Away or Vovele?
Yeah. Away over Vele. Kiwidiko.
Kiwidiko.
Almost same thing with away over Vele.
Kawidiko.
Well done. Tata David.
Kiwidiko.
Meaning Almost the same thing. We are way over nuance there.
I forgive you.
I didn't hear. I haven't understood. Okay. Yeah, they really are almost the same.
Yes, you're right. This one, Tata David, remember?
No, I haven't seen this one. Nkumbu Abe.
Yeah. Lengua Mazenze, remember? No.
I gotta pronounce it. Nkumbu Ame.
Well done, Kumbwame. Let me just ask you a question. Kumbwa kunani? This is the question I'm asking you. Kumbwa kunani?
You're asking a question?
Oh.
I'm asking a question. This is the answer. Kumbwame.
Kuwame.
Okay.
Your name is.
Well done. Kumbwame. Okay, let me just ask you. Kumbwa kunani nengwa? The lady from Florida. Kumbwa kunani, what is your name? Kumbwame. Kumbwame.
Ekuma Ame Mezela Vila.
Well done, Mazenze. Tata. Tata from
Father.
Minneapolis. Kumbwa kunani?
Kumbu David.
Kumbwame. Yes.
Nkumbuame.
My name.
Nkumbuame David.
Yeah, well done. Thank you very much. Okay, let's just move to another slide. Wow. Well done. Give me 1 minute. Let me just share another screen. I think this one, the screen I'm sharing. Let me just see. Brother Dave, you done it already. Done it before. Just going through because of Nengwa Mazenzini. We go quickly because we need to go to the main lesson today.
Oh, we can't see what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm going to show. No, I'm showing. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going quickly because of time.
Okay.
Ngizambote. Ngizambote means welcome. You could say Ngizulu Ambote. Gizambote.
Gizambote.
Oh, this one easy.
Gizambote.
Repeating. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Let me try to read quickly my note here. This is our good morning. When we go to the village, the Congo village, we don't. This is our good morning. We say Lusikamene, meaning. Let me read my notes quickly. Have you woken up? Well, this is the question.
Lusikamene.
Exactly. We ask a question. We don't assume. We don't wish you good morning without knowing if you had a good sleep.
Oh, good rest.
This is how Congo people think. See, this is our philosophy. We don't just say no. We ask, did you sleep well?
Lusikamene.
Yeah, Lusikamene. Did you sleep well? How can you wish someone happy day if you're not sure that they had a good sleep? This is Wiba Congo.
I'm gonna say that to everybody.
Next time we read it again. This is how we think. We ask the person.
Yeah. Did you rest well?
Correctly. That's exactly. That's what I mean. Yeah. Then your reply would be, I'm asking you, Lusikamene, how's your sleep? Because if you waking up well, then your reply will be ingeta tutomene sikama.
Engete.
Tutumeni sikama.
Meaning that yes, indeed, we have
Engete
woken up well. Basically, we had a good sleep. Is that okay? Yeah?
Is the accent on the second syllable or the first in sikama?
Ingeta tutomene sikama. The last one. The sikama, yeah. Fukuambote. Good night.
Fuku ambote. Fuku ambote.
Yeah. Can you say the Nengoma Zenzei?
Fukuambate.
Okay, let me just read my note again. This because this is not our concept. We borrowed from Western, but Congo people, the Congo people say Leka Kyambote, sleep well. Leka Kyambote, Otomaleka, sleep well. But as you know, in any language, you can, unfortunately, over time, any language can be influenced by other concepts. But we ask people, lega kyambote, tomaleka, fukwambote. Okay, this one is easy when the gyambote. Sare gyambote, kumba kunani. My name is, okay. One more slide, then we go to the main lesson. I'll go for this one, new slide. New slide, give 1 minute. New slide. This one is a bit long, but very good. I'm not sure if Brother David, did you learn about human body in Kikongo? Did we?
No.
No. Okay. Now, okay, let me share my. Okay, it's there.
No, I'm sorry. I'm at B.
Oh.
Can you see my screen? You can see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Human body in Kikongo, we say Nitu.
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 Tu. Here, you're right, Brother David. Remember, you were talking about accent. This is why you should be careful about accent. Because in Kikongo, as I keep saying, it is an international language. The way you pronounce a name, basically your pronunciation gives the meaning of the word. See? That's what we're trying to. We don't use accent just to help us read it correctly. Okay. Tu. Ngoma zenze Tingu.
Tingo.
Yeah, right there. Tata David.
Bunzu.
Well done, Ngoma zenzele.
Kosi.
Well done, Kosi. See the accent here? This one high, this one low. See? Kosi. Be careful, not Kosi, not Kosi. There's no N, Kosi.
Kosi.
N, Kosi means lion. This is just Kosi. Tata David.
Tsuki.
Well done, Tsuki, yes. Ngoma zenzele.
Bumbo.
Well done, yeah. Good. The tonality is good. Mbombo. Or you could say Nzunu.
Zunu.
Bombo, running nose.
Bombo.
Brother Dave, can you try again Bombo, please?
Bombo.
Well done, Bombo. Ngoma zenzele.
Zunu.
Well done, Zunu. You go high here, go down here, soft here. See the accent?
I see. So that's got it.
Brother David.
Bazunu.
Well done, Mazunu. Nengoma zenzele.
Wa.
Noa.
Moi.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's David.
Mhm.
Can you try, please?
Oh, Noa.
Noa. Well done. Befo. Mm-hmm.
Befo.
Yeah.
Befo.
Yeah. Try to think as Congo now, because Congo people say Befo. Befo starts from here until here to here.
Befo.
You call here in English, we call chin, yeah?
Uh-huh.
But for us, Befo, from here to here.
Okay, Befo.
This is our concept. You think like the Congo people. It's us, yeah. Before they went to Africa, see? Before we learn Western
Culture.
culture, this is our own. This is how we used to think. God,
Kutu. Kutu.
Kutu.
well done. Nengoma zenzele.
Matu.
Well done. MA usually is a plural. It's a prefix.
Mhm.
Plural. KU.
Gotcha.
K usually singular. But not always. Not always. Nengoma zenzele.
Disu.
Yeah, well done. Tata David.
Meso.
Well done. See D and M here. Like diambote, singular, mambote, plural. Disu
Mhm.
meso. Nengoma zenzele.
Dinu.
Oh, well done. See the plural, Tata David.
Mhm. Meno.
Okay, this one for long vowel. Can you try again, Tata David?
Mhm. Meno.
Well done, meno.
Meno.
Yeah, because when I say meno, I mean yours.
Oh,
Meno, yours, but meno. That's why very important. Keep
pronunciation is, yeah.
long vowels
Yeah.
very important.
Okay.
Tata David, I just gave you a clue.
No, I don't need
Okay.
a clue. I don't want a clue. Oh, are you talking to Dave? I'm sorry. Are you talking to Dave?
Tata David,
Yeah.
test for.
Congo ni.
Well done. This is a long vowel.
Right.
Accent is long vowel. Nengoma zenzele.
And Tulu.
Well done. This one NT, you go tune. Can you try it again, please?
Say that again.
Tulu. You don't read
Oh,
N.
okay. And it's silent. Okay, Tulu.
Well done, Tulu.
Okay.
Here you learn softly, Tulu.
Okay.
Tata David.
Coco.
Well done. Nengoma zenze plural.
Moko.
Well done. Long vowel, moko. Koko.
Oh,
There means
and
Coco. Coco.
and
Far away there, Coco.
oh,
But
yeah.
when I say Coco,
Okay, so long,
you see
long,
the long vowel.
right? Because it's different pronunciation
That
if
is
you don't
that.
say it
You write
right.
it way there, you write Coco.
Mm-hmm.
We don't write accent anyway, just to help us to understand, pronounce correctly. Coco. So to the Congo people, Coco. Remember, leap from here to here. Coco from here to here.
Got it. Okay.
Coco. Mo.
Moco.
Moko.
Moko.
Moko, yeah, plural. Okay. Tata David.
Lembo.
Lembo. Nengoma zenzele.
Luzala. Luzala.
Zala. You land here. You land here.
Mm-hmm.
You jump here. Here, land softly. Luzala.
Luzala.
Well done. Be careful. There's no long vowel.
Luzala.
Luzala. As soon as you put the long vowel, you pronounce the long vowel, it is a different meaning. I mean, it's different words. Very careful. Coco. Hmm? Let's say, I'm going there. Coco itakwenda. In Kikongo. I'm going there. Coco itakwenda. There is no long vowel, but when I say Coco, Coco, it is. Zala, Zala.
Nails.
Quickly, move quickly. Tata David.
Kulu.
Well done. Nengoma zenzele.
Malu.
Remember M-A-K, plural M-A usually. Not always, but usually. Mind the accent here. You land softly here. But here, Tata David, can try please.
Kungulu.
Well done. Nengoma zenzele.
Makungulu.
Well done. Makungu, the plural. Tata David.
Singini.
Yes. Nengoma zenzele, mind the long vowel.
Tambe.
Yes, well done. Keep this in mind because I think there's another word, same where you write same way but different meaning. Okay, you like it something. Tata David.
Lutambi.
Yes. Nengoma zenzele.
Natambi.
You can't you read together NT.
Ntambi.
Well done, well done. Tambi. Yes, wow. I think I'm going to the final slide before we go to the main lesson. Final slide. Give 1 minute. Well done, done well. I'm very impressed. Oh, this one is very easy. I think we went through this one last time. Oh, it's there. Okay, that's fine. Tutondele. Tutondele is there. Kikongo reverence language. We usually say tutondele because of our tradition, but you can say matondo, tondele you. Can you try to read here, please? Nengwa mazenzele.
Matando.
Matondo.
Metando.
Well done. Tata David.
Dondele.
Tondele.
Dondele.
Tondele. Tutondele. Okay, this one the usual. Remember this, the root word is tondo, yes? From that we got matondo, tondele. Yes. Days. Test for you there, Tata David, long vowel.
Zuzi.
Well done. Nengwa mazenzele. Long vowel, please.
Zono.
Yes, good. Tata David.
Unu.
Yes. Nengwa mazenzele.
Mbazi.
Yeah, well done. You shoot here and just land softly here. Thank you. Wow. Thank you very much. I'm very impressed. Let us go to the main lesson. I think someone is saying hello to you. Let me see. How do you reply, Tata David?
Oh, if somebody says hello, I would just say Kiambute.
But they say Kiambote Ken. What do they mean? They said Kiambote Ken.
Um, oh, the Keno. I'm not sure.
Ken no, just you when you see K and I, K and something, always prefix, usual prefix. Ken no, you. Hello to you.
Mm.
Kiambote Ken. Thank you.
Kiambote Keno.
Yes. This is she's learning Gikong on Saturdays. Okay, let me just, okay, now we go to the main lesson today. Jambote Keno. Hello to you. Yes. Okay. She's saying, well done, guys. Thank you very much, Dina. Can you read that? Are you able to read that, Nengo Mazenze? Yeah? She's saying, well done, guys.
I see.
Yeah.
Lina Limerick de Fonseca.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. I'm going to test Brother David. I keep saying the same word every day, but we need to do that. In Kikomo, we say Utokozi Makambi. Do you remember the meaning?
No.
No,
No, I
okay.
haven't had that word yet.
I'm going to write to you. Okay. Can you read my notes? Is there?
It says Congo language course and gratitude.
Yeah, I'm just sending a message. That's the meaning. When I say Untokozi Makambi, Brother David, Untokozi means?
In gratitude.
Yes. But Congo people always say, traditional elders always say, tell us that Utokozima can be in practice bad. So that's why we keep, before we start the course, we read this slide. We say thank you to those, to people that wrote this course. See? Because of them, we are standing on the giant's shoulders. Yeah? Remember the quote? Because of them. Okay. Nengwa Mazenze, can you go? Can you? Oh, sorry, I just moved by mistake. I click. Yes, please. Can you read, please?
Yes. Congo language course. Malunge, Makikikuno.
Kikongo. Remember the.
Oh, Kikongo,
Yeah,
Makikongo.
this is just for you, for us, for just because a long vowel. Just yes.
Okay, okay. Malunge, Makikongo. Kizombo.
Yes.
By Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Jao Makandueka.
Yeah, Makondekwa. Can you try to pronounce?
Makondekwa.
Right there. Yes.
Joan Hazel Carter, 22/02/1928, 3/08/2016, received a doctorate with her dissertation, Syntactic Tone Phrases in Congo, Kikongo Language.
Right there.
I need glasses. African Studies Programs, Department of African Language and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Thank you very much. When I say Untoko Zimakambi, what do I mean? What does it mean, Brother David?
I do not know.
You did say that. What does it Untokozi mean? What does it mean, Utokozi? You read it. You say starting with I.
And gratitude.
Yes.
Oh, the word ingratitude. Okay. So
bird.
what is it again in
What is
Chikongo?
Makiambi meaning that bird. Utokozi. Utokozi. Ingratitude.
Utukozi.
Utokozi. Yeah. That's why we say thank you to those who were brave. Okay, today we're learning Kikongo future negative. This is lesson 2, section 2. Pattern. We don't need to read that. No time. Okay. Now. Nengoma zenzile.
Okay. Onge unsenga die.
Well done. Onge yosinga die.
Okay. Are you going to eat?
Yes.
Means are you going to eat?
Please, yes. Ve.
Ve kesenga daeko.
Kisinga diako.
Yako.
Yosinga die. Ve. Kisinga
Okay.
diako.
Ve kesenga diako.
Because here, there's a E, hidden E here. Just because of the contraction between two vowels, just read ongeyo. That is ongeye. Ngeye is you. Singa dia. Dia is there. Singa dia. Dia means eat. And because of the Kikongo being an international language, we always say die. Singa die.
J.
Yeah. Tata David, please.
Onge osinga kosoke.
Well done. Kosoke. Yes.
Ve kisinga kikosa. No. Kosokako.
Well done. Ve. Kisinga kosokako. Nengoma zenzele.
Onge osenga lambe.
Well done. Wow.
Ve kesenga lambeko.
Singa lambako. Wow, well done. Tata David.
Onge osinga nwe.
Wow.
Ve kisinga nwako.
Yes, well done. Nengoma zenzele.
Onge osenga sale.
Ah. Well done. Be careful. See
I
here.
know.
See the accent. This is not a long one because the long one is coming.
Okay, so onge osenga sale.
Well done. Yes.
Okay. Ve kesenga saleko.
Yes. Keep this in mind. Next slide, you will understand why. Here we are. If I go back, what does it mean?
Are you going to work?
Sala, what does sala mean?
Work?
Yes. But remember the long vowel, there's no long vowel here. But here, you have sala.
Okay.
Same thing, you just write one A. Because of the phonetic spelling, that it is written, we got double A. That's why you should remember how important is the good pronunciation. Tata David, please.
Onge osinga sale.
Yes.
Ve kisinga saleko.
Yeah, well done. You remember Sala Gambot, yeah? Sala Gambot. Double A. Long vowel. Nengoma zenzele.
Onge osenga sikame.
Sikame, yes.
Ve kesenga sikamako.
Well done. Tata David.
Onge osinga tiange.
Tinga tange.
Kisinga tiangako.
Tangako. Yes. Nengoma zenzele, over to you.
Oh, okay.
Ongeye.
Onge osenga.
W-E, yes. Vingile.
Dingale. So it's Onge Osenga Vengele.
Vingile, yes.
Okay, and Ve Kesenga Vengaleko. Vengaleko.
Well done. Tata David.
Onge Osinga Wove. Oh, just, yeah, it's not long. Onge Osinga Wove. Ve Kisinga Wovako.
Well done, remember. Nengoma zenzele.
Onge Osenga
Vutuke.
Vutukwe.
Vutuke.
Ve Kesenga Vutekwo. Vutakwo.
Can you just read Brother David, please?
Onge Osinga Vutuke.
Vutuke.
Ve Kisinga Vutukako.
Well done. King of Vutukago. Basically, this is the how you write the word here, just because the question. Because the contraction A is hidden there. A is hidden because contraction two vowel. It's not called Vutuke. Wow, you done well. We done, see? Well done. Well done.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Any question? We're stopping there for today. Any question about that, David?
No, I will print those off so that
Yeah.
I can review them in writing.
Yeah.
That will help.
Everything is on our website. And there's a link there.
Yes.
Find all the lessons are there. The main link on the I could show you here. Let me just before we go, if you don't mind, quickly. I just go to write the website Malungi Magi Congo.
Yes, that's it.
Malungi Magi Congo. MalungiMagiCongo.com. I'm gonna try to share this. Can you see my screen? Yes. Okay. This is our website, MalungiMagiCongo.com. Do you want me to let me just send it the link? Not the link. I'm going to write it down. You got it on your. Can you see on your chat? Yeah, private chat is there. Yeah.
Yeah, I belong.
Yeah, this is the website. If you scroll down, can you see Kikongo documents on cloud?
Yes.
This is the main link. Yeah, this is the main link too. You click on this. Can you see these folders?
No, nothing has come up.
Okay, I need to. Okay. Sorry, I need to share that again. I'm sorry. Okay, this is not. No, let me share that again. Can you see it? It's a very small. I mean, hard to read.
Yeah, it's small,
we
but
can see
yeah,
him.
we can see.
Yeah, if you click on that Kikongo documents link, yeah, on the main page, yes.
Yeah.
Go to Kikongo lesson. Can you see it? Kikongo lessons? Kikongo lessons folder.
Yeah, we see that. I mean, it's small, so we. No.
Okay, sorry. So
I'm sure we'll find it.
Yeah, Kikongo lessons. The main thing is on the main page on the website. You click on Kikongo documents on cloud. Then you go to these folders. Go to Kikongo lessons. Everything is there.
Okay.
Everything written there. Let me try to share. Okay, I don't want to take your time. Okay, that's fine. Just click there. All the lessons are there. Okay. I'm very, very impressed. You done well. Tutondele. Tutondele.
Tutondele.
If I would say I thank you in Kikongo, remember I, not us. Because Tutondele means us. We say that because Kikongo reference language, we say that. But one person, Tondele.
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 It doesn't matter. Can say Tondele or Tutondele. Okay, I'm staying. You are going. What?
Sala Kimbote.
Yeah, you're staying. I'm going. What do you say to me? I'm going. You're staying.
Oh, Wanda Kiambote.
Yes. Now you think as a common person. See, well done. Okay.
Tondele.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
See you next
Tondele.
Sunday. Okay. Thank you. Thank
Sala
you.
Kiambote. Mazenzele.
Kimbote. Tata David.
Yeah, you can just click on leave, please. Thank you.
Thank you too. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.